go.
Okay. So hey, it's from Callagy Unblinded, Soulful Sunday. What's happening? We are at Long Beach Island with a little Star Trek music. I'm not even sure if you can hear that on Alexa in the background, because today is William Shatner's birthday. So here is William Shatner's birthday. I was thinking of a few different things.
William Shatner's birthday is March 22nd.
Today. So what we're thinking about is, Alexa, pause, the reality that we're kind of like in this brave new world ourselves of adventure, of challenge, of pain and fear, joy, creation. And so it was truly present for me today as I woke up down in a place that was once a dream, a magical place for me, Long Beach Island. But it's weird because you can't interact. And later, Tyler, my son, is down here, but he's in a different house that we have down here because I encountered some people during the week. He's been in isolation at a different level. And so we want to make sure that we're completely isolated for this 14-day period. So it's just weird to be in a space like that. And so I want to know what's present for you. And Mo, we got some folks out there.
Yes, hi Lorelai, hi Martin, hey Kara.
Yeah, so, and hey guys, thanks for tuning in. And I also want to share...
Lorelai said we're sideways. I know Sean prefers the horizontal, but I think that...
We're sideways, so we should go vertical? So we'll figure that out how to do it. So let's go, let's not be sideways. So whatever, go vertical. Are we not sideways now?
I think we're good. Are we good, Lorelai?
Okay. So what we're talking about is also, what are you doing? And we want to know to keep yourself in an incredibly positive state, but beyond the positive state, in a productive state. Like, what can you create? We're going to have a whole new series of people on the huddles this week that we're truly excited about, and I think I'm going to be with Laura White tonight in her mastermind. I'll wait for confirmation on that. But we're also talking about, like, what is it that we can do? And I have some dear friends who've had to lay off a ton of people this past week. And I know people all over the place are getting laid off or laying people off. And so one of the questions that comes up, though, is in light of this and the things that we're having a really tough time controlling, what else can we control and what can we do productively at that time? And each day on the huddles from this point forward, we're going to have somebody on to talk about what's happening. So we're going with a beautiful new format. And if you're not on the huddles yet, please get on there. Our outcome is to create just extraordinary value and even a tremendous vision. I'm going to put the flag in the ground because I believe in boldly claiming space. Our outcome is to create the greatest morning show that exists in the world for the way that people can start their day. So the Unblinded Morning Huddle, and we're not settled on this yet. It's something like, see what you don't see about the way to start your day. So what is it that you'd like to hear on the huddle, see on the huddle? What is it that you're doing right now to keep yourself in an immense state of productivity? We're going to be going Facebook Lives regularly, consistently, short bursts like this. And what's your adventure? What's your brave new world? And I'm not minimizing anything the challenges and struggles are going through, but facing challenges and facing struggles is the root of really being in a brave new space and creating acceleration. So I thank you for this. Mona, thank you for your support. We're here coming from Long Beach Island, New Jersey, and like, where are you? What are you up to? And if you're in isolation on your own, physically on your own, my heart goes out. That's a tough and challenging space to be in. At the same time, connect, share, talk, with other folks here in the Unblinded space and on these Facebook Lives, on the huddle. Join that Unblinded community and let's go accelerate and figure out ways together to create the breakthroughs that we want and need for our life and for other people. So, hey, I'm Sean and Mona. How you doing?
I'm doing awesome. It's beautiful to be here by the beach. I don't know if you guys can see in the back, but that's the ocean.
Yeah, and
it's gorgeous.
And we're going to be there from the ocean, from the roof in a little bit. So have an amazing day, and we'll check back in a little bit. And Mona?
We're all blind.
And Sean, Thanks.
Bye, guys.